Friends, this is Kumud, and you see these hibiscus flowers. These are the red ones, which we use for pujas and all. They are blooming so much, and you see till top. There's so many, must be about 100 flowers in one tree, blooming, together. So this is looking beautiful. So I'll tell you the secret, this many flowers overnight, half of them were there already, but this many, they have bloomed all of a sudden. So many of them. This is another tree, but this is not blooming so much. There are only about 10-15 flowers only, I see. So I'll tell you the difference. What has made the difference in these two trees, So without adding any introduction, I'll just tell you. You see these. This is the work I did yesterday in the evening. I made a ghera, like a round, did some tilling there, digging, and little deep, and then put lots of vermicompost in this, and then this is the result. In the morning, you can see. So this is happening in my garden, friends. What is happening in your garden? Please share. You see, in this tree, there is nothing being done. So this is growing normally. Although the leaves and flowers are looking healthy, but the bloom is not so profuse, and the flower size also, you can see it's small. So I'm just comparing the two things, the difference which has brought the results. I'm just showing you that. So as this is the time for these blooms, you can also do the same thing. Add some compost, your homemade compost, or some vermicompost, and you can see the results immediately. And give full water. Full means full. It should go to the roots. And side by side, I'll show you this moringa tree also. This is called drumstick tree, and this wasn't doing so well. And I kept on asking people what to do, but nobody could give me the correct answer actually, because the answer lied with me only. I had to do little search inside me. I had to ask me and my plant what to do. So then only I got the answer. So the answer is same. The superficial soil used to get wet, but the underneath roots were not getting hydrated. So I did the same thing in this, and did some tilling and some digging, and put lots of vermicompost in this, and give full water again. So much, about 3-4 buckets must have gone in this, maybe more. So this tree, all of a sudden overnight, I can see the difference in this tree. You see, the yellowing of leaves is gone, You see, the sun is at the wrong side, so I cannot show you the greenness of this tree now. So sometimes what I mean to say is that sometimes the answers lie with your plants and with you only. You have to do some research, some introspection, some analyzing, and then you will find the answers yourself. This is my white hibiscus, and you see the flowering in this so much, and just a month back it wasn't having any flowers, and I asked people and I got different kinds of answers, but the answer lies as it is with you only and with your plant. I have started believing in this only, that you have to see your plant carefully, ask yourself, ask your plant, do some introspection, look at your plant well, and you will find the answer. The treatment, or you can say the caring, I have done about 1 month back only to this tree, and this is also giving good results. So I'm very happy. Even the experts cannot understand your plant as much as you can by looking at them, by really looking hard and getting into the root problem, what it is, and you will find the answer, I'm sure. You can get the hints and some remedies also from your friends, from experts, or your gardening circles. You can get some tips, you can get some inspiration, motivation, but the real answer will come from the plant only. Okay friends, so this is for today. This is happening in my garden. Let's share what's happening in yours. Happy gardening. Bye bye.